How to redeem your FC25 closed beta code on PlayStation. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. Let me move into one of the article which is gonna help you out. So right now, I'm heading over to fifaplay.com/FC25beta. It will land you on this page. In this page, different instruction is given to you. Scroll down and you'll see where it says redeem your FC25 closed beta code on PlayStation. You need to head over to it. It will land you on this interface. Now simply scroll down, different steps will be available to you. The very first step is go to PlayStation Store and then select your profile at the top of the screen. After that, the option of redeem code will be visible to you. Click on it. One interface will appear on your screen. In there, you have to enter your valid 16-digit code and then select continue. Once you click on continue, the code will be redeemed successfully. Once the code has been redeemed, you can now download and install the pre-release version of the game through the PlayStation Store. This grants you early access to FC25, allowing you to explore its new feature and gameplay before the official release. As a beta tester, you have the opportunity to provide valuable feedback to the developers, reporting any bugs or issues you encounter and suggesting potential improvements. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can redeem FC25 closed beta code on PlayStation. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.